right, folks, let's get back to defining our job. This is kind of a fun part. We get to decide, if anything was open and possible, what would I do next? Let's decide what that's going to look like. In some cases, you might be very clear already. Awesome. Maybe this will help you better articulate what you're going to do. But this can be a really valuable tool. So here again are the actions that we're going to take based on defining your job. So first of all, define what you want to do as clearly as you can, or write it out. Get as specific as you can about it. Use career assessments, secondly, if you can, to gain clarity about your desired position. Get some feedback, third, for ideas from old bosses, friends, family, colleagues, and see what they have to say. They might be able to point you into some things you hadn't thought of before. Fourth, I would do some informational interviews with someone who's doing the job you are considering to see if this makes sense or not. You might find out it would end up being a really terrible idea. You might find out it'd be the best job in the world, and there's a rare good chance of getting it. But you want to know, so those informational interviews would be very, very helpful. Use your journal, as we've talked about, to capture feedback and ideas from all these people. Capture ideas, industry ideas, contacts as you receive. Put it all in that journal so you don't lose anything. It's really important. Next, I want you to research the list of skills in order to learn them appropriately. There may be some things that we have to develop our skills in. That actually leads into considering an internship or volunteering or going back to some classes to develop those new skills. So put that on your list as well. Maybe join a trade association for the new business industry that you are interested in, so that you can get some better ideas about how that industry works, as well as get some really great networking contacts. That can be fabulous. And then lastly, take a look at some of the trade journals and corporate reports that are out there on the companies and managers that are out there, so we get to know some of their background, who they are, what they're all about, so that when we go and approach them, we'll be better educated toward it, and it'll dramatically improve our opportunity. All right, good job. Keep after it.